You're selling on Amazon, but currently your listings look like this. No need to worry or to panic. Of course, there's a reason behind this. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the solution to products or listings that might be inactive and how to reactivate them, whether you're selling FBA or FBM. Are you ready? Let's get to work. If this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society, and we help brands, businesses, and entrepreneurs launch, sell, and scale their business on Amazon in the Middle East. For all of the info, just check out our website www.assmiddleeast.org. Before I get started, and before I jump on my computer and show you exactly the reason why your listings might be currently out of stock or currently unavailable, let's just say there are two ways of selling on Amazon. You've got the FBA, which is fulfilled by Amazon, which basically means that Amazon is going to fulfill whatever order is going to be made on the website. For you to be part of the FBA system and business model, you have to have your units physically present in the Amazon fulfillment center for whatever country you are selling in, whether you're selling in UAE, KSA, Egypt, or any other marketplace around the world. So that's one business, or let's say that's one selling model. The other selling model is known as FBM, fulfilled by merchant, merchant being you as a seller, meaning the units are with you in your possession, and whenever the order is done on the website, it's your job to fulfill that order. By that, I don't mean you have to physically deliver the product yourself. Of course, there's a lot of ways to deliver the product, whether that be through a courier company or through Amazon's system and preferred partners known as EasyShip, but you are responsible to fulfill that that order. So that's why it's called fulfilled by merchant. With that being said, and all of that information, you're going to understand why I'm talking about these two different selling models. Let's jump on the on Amazon Seller Central so I can show you exactly what might be the reason behind your inactive listings. Okay, so I created some fake listings and I filtered them in the inactive, and you can do the same as well. So there's a reason these units and these listings rather are inactive. That's why customers can't purchase them on Amazon. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to come to this page. What is this page? This is the Manage Inventory page. All you need to do is you need to go to your menu, you go to the inventory, and as you can see, you've got two types of inventory. You've got your full inventory where you manage all of your inventory, FBA as well as FBM. And you've got your Manage FBA inventory page. So you need to make sure that you know that there's these two. Let's go into the Manage Inventory, just the standard page where I can see all of my inventory. The first thing that you need to do is you need to check the status column. That's the reason why, this is how you know there's an issue with your listing. So as you can see here in the status, it says inactive, out of stock. So it simply means that I don't have stock, whether that be as an FBA or as an FBM. That's why the listing is currently unavailable and people can't purchase it. Now, there might be two other reasons why your listing is inactive. Number one, it might be suppressed. The reason, and you're going to see that in the status, that's why you need to be checking the status always. Suppressed basically means Amazon is suppressing it. There's an issue with your listing. So it's either something related to the title, to the brand name, something inside of your listing. It's normally also something related to the image, especially the main image, something that is breaking Amazon's terms of service. So they are suppressing it and people can't find it and people can't purchase it. So in order to find out, number one, you need to check the status. Then for you to figure out exactly what is the reason why it's being suppressed, it's still available to be purchased However, people need to have the direct link to purchase it. So it's suppressed. People can't find it on Amazon, which is additionally a very big problem. So you can click the edit button right here to edit the listing itself and and once you log in to the listing, you will find the error messages, and then you can figure out what the issue is and fix it so that the listing gets back into not being suppressed anymore. The third reason is Amazon might decide to close the listing. Why? Not because you've done anything wrong, but just because if you create a listing and it's sitting there idle, you don't create a shipping plan, you don't do anything, it's just sitting there in your account, Amazon might decide to just simply close it. And you'll see in the status, it says closed. So all you need to do is you need to go to the edit button menu, where you need to click on the arrow, and there you'll find the menu that says relist. So you need to click on relist and get it relisted, refreshed, and back on your Amazon account, as well as on the Amazon platform. Now, as you can see here in the manage inventory, you have right here, this is an FBM listing, and that's why I can actually manipulate the quantity, whereas this listing is an FBA listing, and that's why I cannot actually change the quantity. Let's go to the Manage FBA Inventory dashboard so I can show you a few things, and then we'll come back to here. So as you can see here, the listings are all inactive because basically there is no stock. They're out of stock. So easy fix, what I need to do is I need to send stock to Amazon so that I can sell this product if I want to sell it FBA. Now what you need to do is you need to come here, you click on the arrow, and you simply say send and replenish inventory. And then it'll take you through the process of creating a shipping plan, as well as later on taking an appointment. All of that information, we've already created videos about all of this on the channel. So I leave the videos in the description box of this video and in the cards here. Go ahead and watch it after you watch this one. Now, it's a simple thing. You cannot basically change the quantity here because this is linked to your Amazon, to the Amazon Fulfillment Center. So as soon as the units reach the Amazon Fulfillment Center, they go through the receiving, Amazon receives them, then your inventory will be updated automatically without you having to do anything. It will be updated here in the dashboard, and then you can see exactly the amount of units that you currently have in stock. If I wanted to switch my listing from FBA to FBM, then all you need to do is, again, you come to the arrow here and you say change to fulfilled by merchant, because this is an FBA listing. So if I want to change it to fulfilled by merchant, I click here. If I want to change it, if it is an FBM listing and I want to change it to fulfilled by Amazon, here it's going to say fulfilled by Amazon, and then you can switch it and create a shipping plan to send units over to the Amazon warehouse. Mind you, it's not going to switch in a second. Once you switch it, you need about 5 minutes to 10 minutes maximum, and then it refreshes, and then you'll find it in the other dashboard. Let's go back to fulfilled by merchant. So as you can see here, for this listing that is an FBM listing, if I click here, you'll see change to fulfilled by Amazon. I'm not going to do that. So I can do quite easily, I can just change the quantity, because this is an FBM. So I can change the quantity to 10 and then hit save. And now all of a sudden the listing is going to change within a few minutes. As you can see here, it says it takes up to 15 minutes. Then the status is going to change, and then the listing is going to be active again. Make sure you actually have the units. Don't just write 10 and try to figure it out later on, because if the order comes, you have to fulfill it within 24 to 48 hours, or else Amazon is not going to be happy with you. So you want to try to fulfill that order ASAP, as soon as possible. So you need to actually have those units, or at least have a plan to get them quickly. Now, as you can see here also, Amazon have provided a great filtering system. So if you don't want to be switching between dashboards, you can just simply filter Amazon merchant, and then you'll get all of the listings that you want, and you can filter anything that you want: search suppressed, listing removed, incomplete, and active. So you can filter them to try to narrow down if you have any issues, and especially if you have a lot of listings. One last thing to show you, something that's very important as well. You can click here on the search suppressed and inactive listings, so you can directly go to the listings that have issues. And Amazon have created this really interesting dashboard where you can easily understand exactly what the issue is. As you can see here, out of stock, as simple as that. So it is out of stock, the reason out of stock, and you can just simply fix the issue depending on how you are selling these units, whether you're selling them FBA or you're selling them FBM. And that's it. Very simple and easy solution to get your listings active again. Make sure that you thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.